Hey, you're back. This is Colt, Spit and Tax Upholstery here in Spokane, Washington. 89 degrees, beautiful. Cool wind blowing out there. Wild turkeys running through the front yard. Oh, God is good. As you can see, we finished the zipper. Turned out real nice. The zipper replacement. And you'll notice this is the inside. This is the outside. You'll notice I did these reinforcements here. These are aesthetic, but they're reinforcements as well. Okay, keeps your zipper from separating and whatnot. I just think it looks handsome. So I did that, and now he had silver snaps, as you can see, silver snaps. He wanted gray now. We're leaving these. These are called gypsy snaps. They're a different kind of snap. When the tarp rolls up, it's where you can, pre-existing snap there. But we're not messing with gypsies today. This is the press and snap. This is a must. This is a portable device to where you can go and replace snaps, gypsy snaps, all the above, on site. These things are worth their weight in gold. These are about $350, but it's worth every penny, and you adjust it as you go. Okay, for example, you have a bottom and a top. These are gray. I've already replaced these. You see how handsome those are? They're all gray. And now this one, we will just place it in there like that. Put our bottom on. You'll see the dish up there. You bring this around and you put the snap head in the dish and you hold it. And you see that down there? You make sure it lines up, and then you just compress it. Well, you'll feel it sometimes. This adjustment up here on the top there, you don't want it crazy tight because this is a snap puller. When you're taking your snap, your whatever it is, your top, or you're removing this just slips in there. You see that little groove? This slips in there like that, and you can pull them out without pulling the edge and tearing them and breaking them like he did. He didn't have one of these. I recommend buying one of these. They are, this one, $21.32, my price. But they're worth their weight in gold. So, that's how you do that. We'll walk through, and then I'll show you how to remove a snap. All right, put your gray on the bottom. And there's little inserts that you can use on different applications that you can put under the bottom. It's just simple pimple. Looks good. Looks good. So now let's move her around here. Okay, so we got that side done. Oh, we got one there to do. So yeah, you can do a lot of things yourself. Have faith in yourself. Take your time. Have the right tools. Don't be afraid to ask somebody. Bingo. And you can tell that it's not too tight because that'll kind of move a little bit. Not too much, but just a little. Just a little. Okay, so now we're over here. This is the other side. We have to take these silvers off. So you have a pair of dikes. I've had these forever. So always start with the cap side. Don't start on this side because it can break off and then you'll wind up having to pull it and you might tear the initial hole. So I start like this and lay it flat, put my finger on the back, and I lay it flat and I get it under there and I just kind of just a little bit, and then I'll move around and I'll come up here and go just a little bit, and I'll wiggle it around. You don't want to cut. See that? And it just popped off. You just want to wiggle it. Then you can grab the top of the cap and then just kind of turn it and then turn it the other way, and it just slowly comes out. Okay? So you want to do it that way every time. Around and around, just gently come around, and it'll see that? It'll break free. and then you just wiggle and it comes right off. But do that with kid gloves. Okay? The bottom of the dike side down. Come in here, push from the back with your finger. But that one's already off. See, he had torn a couple off. So I'll just gently pull it that way, and then gently pull it the other way, and then gently pull it again the other way. Take your time with these, and then they just slowly pop right out. Okay? So then again, we put our colored gray head on there. And this is for the tops. And then you have all of these different, these are like, these are for the bottoms. These two is the bottom snaps, like these snaps here. And then this is, that's for a gypsy snap. So you can buy all of these. They come with a top and a bottom. They don't come with the gypsy snap. And they're about $60 for a gypsy snap adapter. But you got to have those because you're gonna run across those. Okay, so where are we at? There's another one. We'll get that one in there. Put it right in your dish, align it, bring it down, and just give her a punch. 1, 2. There's one more there. So this is pretty straightforward, but if you're doing tops or even your own top, you're going to break snaps, especially if you don't have one of these. And it's nice to do them yourself because I charge $13.50 for every single one of these that I install. Yeah, some of these tops got 60 snaps on them. Okay, that adds up quick. That's a lot of money. Or if it's a big enough job, I'll give you a flat rate. You probably want to put it in the bid. But if you just want me to show up at your place and replace 6 snaps, yeah, you're going to pay, $80. So $80 is $80, right? So if you can do it yourself, and if you have a real nice boat and it has a big top and you got other stuff that has snaps, it's worth the money. It's worth the money. Okay. Yep. And then these had broken off on him. So you just kind of grab the edge of them and just kind of give them a little twist. And if they don't come out right away, that way, come to the other side, grab it, and then come back to the other side, grab it, and they pop right out. See? Things ain't always what they seem. Most things a person can do himself or herself. So never sell yourself short. Yep, and put it in the dish. Hold it flat. Bring it down. Bingo. In the back. Put it in the dish. And like I said, while you're doing this, sometimes this will kind of slowly back out from your hand hitting it. Give it a little turn. Okay. You always tell, see how that inside of the top of this cap, that straight post, that gnarled over. So once you got that, you're good to go. You don't got to crush these on. You don't want to crush these on like crazy, And you'll be able to feel the tension after you've done a few. Yeah, it's perfect. To where you'll know the setting. You'll get good at these. It doesn't take too long, but it's actually a feel. You can feel it crunching down and aligning. And one more. So, line them up. Good to go. So that's that. And that, my friends, is how you put on, you replace the zipper, how you add the aesthetic anchors that keep the zipper from breaking free. And please subscribe to my channel and like my channel. We have lots more stuff coming. It's going to be great. Knowledge is power. So, I'll see you around like a donut. Thanks.